Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1979 Chevrolet Corvette factory L82 4-speed car, guys, with 25,000 original miles. Very nice car. I actually took the car in on trade here. Gentleman I took it in on trade from has owned the car 7 years. He actually got it out of a long-term storage that the car had actually been sitting in. The car has had one repaint, but this is the original color, dark brown metallic with, is it Doeskin? I think it's called Doeskin. It's got all the original interior in it. But again, it has had one repaint. I think the jams have the original paint still in it. But gorgeous car, beautiful color combination. My dad would have loved this color combo. He had a race car this color. He had 2 race cars this color. So beautiful color combination. It's got a beautiful metallic in it. And again, this is a matching numbers L82 4-speed car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. I saw, there's a couple little blemishes there. Car is slick. Three-owner car. There are some mileage logs in the glove box with the owner's manuals and stuff. I left that stuff in there, so there is a actual mileage log with the car. T-top bags are in the back storage compartment. As late as like in the 90s somewhere, the car had like 22,000 miles. Rear defog. Slick paint. It's got BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. It's got the original aluminum wheels, and they are beautiful. But I guess this car sat in storage for several years. This little dust, guys. Beautiful car. Fun to bang the gears with. I mean, look how nice those wheels are. I also think they've replaced that exhaust. I don't think that's the original exhaust. Looks too nice to me. Of course, these cars are four-wheel disc brakes. Again, matching numbers, L82, 4-speed car. Pretty much just bone stock underneath the hood here. Air blows cold. Still got the smog pump on it. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Pretty car right there. Get ahead of myself here. Again, the T-top bags are in the car. This stuff's all original. Yeah, I think this is the original paint right here, guys. Power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Carpet looks all original. Again, factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the T-handle shifter, tilt-telescopic wheel. Miner looks good. I don't know if you can see it. 25,718 on your odometer. Factory AM/FM Delco radio. All the gauges worked. Yeah, I think these are 225 horsepower. It's got a breakdown on there. Again, dual exhaust, stock rear axle. We really didn't do much to it. We really just put a little wax on it and wiped it down. That was it. Seats are nice. Again, that looks to be all original. Again, your T-top bags are in there. It's got the, what do you call it too, the shade thing that pulls out in the back. That's in there. Again, the owner's manuals and some mileage logs and receipts are in the glove box there. It comes out if you don't like that. Back here, the air's on, the air blows cold. These cars run strong. No, I can do this. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to. You have to shut that hood, Nathan. I can't do it. Too hard with one hand. Tach works. Again, all your gauges are functional. Parking brake does work. Sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. There it goes. Winking at you there for a second. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. You can also now subscribe to our website. Enter your email. Make sure that you